Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Surface-level scratches can often be fixed using a substance like petroleum jelly, Vaseline, or toothpaste, though deeper scratches are impossible to fix. Keep in mind that any repairs to a scratched disc are usually temporary. You'll most likely have to replace the disc at some point.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If the scratch is on the top, shiny part of the disc is not repairable and all the data is lost. If the scratch is on the bottom, plastic part of the disc, you may be able to repair the disc by resurfacing and polishing it. Today, some disc manufacturers are developing scratch-resistant discs. 29 June 2011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.